Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to discuss the basic steps to solve the word problems. So very first step is read the problem carefully. Whatever the problem is given, you have to read it carefully and find out what is given and what is to be calculated or what is to be determined. What you have to find out in the problem. Next is second step is plan and represent the unknown by taking the variable like x. You can choose any variable x, y, z. It depends upon you. So second step is plan and represent the unknown. Whatever you have to find out that unknown by taking the variable like x. Third step is to form the linear equation using the given conditions. Whatever the conditions is given, you have to use that conditions and then you have to form a linear equation out of it. Then fourth step is to solve the equation formed in the above step. So you will solve it out. Solve karoge. Find out the value of the variable by just transposing the variable on the left side and the constants on the right side. And the final step is fifth step, that is verify your answer to be very sure. If you want to be sure, then you can verify your answer. Means you can check your answer at the end. So let us discuss few linear equations in one variable and solve it out. The very first one is the sum of two numbers is 45 and their ratio is 7:8. Find the numbers. So we have to find out the numbers here. We are dealing with the linear equations in one variable. We will just consider only one number here. So let us take the now we are given here the ratio. So we will use the ratio here first of all. Let a ratio given है. It means कोई ना कोई multiplier भी होगा. Let the multiplier be x. अब इन दोनों में कुछ ना कुछ जो कॉमन है वो multiplier x हो सकता है. ठीक है. So the numbers are 7x and 8x. Now we are given the sum of two numbers is 45. So we can form the equation using this condition, sum of two numbers. अब दोनों numbers given है. Now sum of numbers, that is 7x plus 8x is equal to 45. This is our condition. Now we have formed an equation. Now we will solve it out. 7x plus 8x. 15x is equal to 45. Now divide both sides by 15. So you will get here 15 3s are 45. X comes out to be 3 here. So we can find out both the numbers 7x and 8x. So 7 into 3, that is 21. 8 into 3, that is 24. And you can check it out, verify both the sum. दोनों को sum करके देख लो, it will come out to be 45 only. So you can verify your result yourself. Let us move to the next question. The digits at the tens place of a two-digit number is 3 times the digit at the ones place. अब कोई भी 2-digit number है तो एक उसका tens place होगा, एक उसका ones place होगा. ठीक है. They are saying the digit at the tens place. तो tens place पे जो digit है that is 3 times the digit at the ones place. तो हम suppose कर लेते हैं let digit at ones place. इसको suppose कर लो x. अगर ये x हो गया तो tens place वाला कितना हो गया 3x. ठीक है. So digit at tens place that will be equal to 3x. ठीक है. अब अगली लाइन पढ़ते हैं. If the sum of this number and the number formed by reversing its digits is 88. अब sum of this number, तो पहले तो number form करना पड़ेगा. So the number will be, अब tens digit और ones digit दोनों पता है तो number कैसे form होगा सबको पता है. कैसे form करते हैं हम 10 times the tens digit. ठीक है. जो भी हमारा tens digit होगा और that is 3x plus ones digit. कितना आ गया ये 30x plus x 31x. ठीक है. नाउ बाय रिवर्सिंग इट्स डिजिट्स, अब रिवर्स कर दो डिजिट्स, बाय रिवर्सिंग डिजिट्स तो क्या होगा, यहां पे x आ जाएगा और यहां 3x आ जाएगा, तो नंबर क्या बनेगा, यहां पे लिख लेते हैं न्यू नंबर, ठीक है। तो न्यू नंबर क्या बनेगा, 10 टाइम्स x प्लस 3x, कितना हो गया 13x, ठीक है। अब कंडीशन क्या गिवन है, लेट अस रीड इट अगेन। इफ द सम ऑफ दिस नंबर एंड द नंबर फॉर्म्ड बाय रिवर्सिंग इट्स डिजिट्स इज 88, यानी कि ये नंबर और ये नंबर दोनों को ऐड करके 88 बन रहा है, तो फाइंड द नंबर। सो 31x प्लस 13x इज इक्वल टू 88, बन गई हमारी कंडीशन, इक्वेशन बन गई। नाउ वी विल सॉल्व इट आउट, सॉल्व कर लो। 44x इज इक्वल टू 88, तो x क्या आ जाएगा 88 बाई 44 दैट इज 2, x की वैल्यू आ गई 2। अब नंबर क्या था हमारा, नंबर तो ये है जो हमने पहले यहाँ फॉर्म किया है 31x, तो इसमें वैल्यू पुट कर दो। सो द नंबर इज इक्वल टू 31x, 31 इंटू 2 दैट इज 62, 62 है नंबर हमारा। अब इसकी चेकिंग भी कर लो, चेकिंग कैसे होगी, अगर हम इसका रिवर्स कर दें, डिजिट्स रिवर्स हो जाएंगे तो ये बन जाएगा 26, तो 26 और 62 दोनों को ऐड करके क्या आता है 88, it means we can verify our result also. Clear? Let us move to one more question. Rima's mom is 4 times as old as Rima. तो रीमा की मॉम की जो एज है दैट इज 4 टाइम्स एज ओल्ड एज रीमा. आफ्टर 5 years her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. Find their present ages. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सपोज द रीमा's एज. रीमा की एज क्यों सपोज करनी है, क्योंकि उसकी मदर की एज पे कंडीशन गिवन है. रीमा's मॉम इज 4 times as old as रीमा. Let Rima's age to be x. So her mom's age that will be 4 times x. Okay. They're saying after 5 years. तो 5 years के बाद रीमा की एज क्या हो जाएगी x plus 5 और उसकी मॉम की एज क्या हो जाएगी 4x plus 5. ठीक है ना. तो आफ्टर 5 years 5-5 साल दोनों की बढ़ जाएगी एज. Her mother will be 3 times as old as she will be then. So what we are getting? So her mother will be, उसकी मदर की एज क्या होगी 4x plus 5 will be 3 times as old as she will be then. तो उसकी एज क्या है x plus 5 after 5 years. Now this is our equation. Now we will solve it out. ठीक है. 3 will be multiplied with x, then 3 will be multiplied with 5. Now transpose the variables on the left side, so it will come on the left side with the change sign. It is positive here, when it will be transposed here it will be negative. Same way 15 minus 5, so x will come out to be 10. So Rima's present age is 10 years. And what is her mom's age? That is 4 into 10, that is 40 years. You can verify your result by just checking it out. Rima's mom is 4 times as old as Rima. अब चेक कर लो, रीमा की एज है 10 years और उसकी मदर की एज है 40 years, यानी कि 4 times. It means our result is verified. I hope you understand it, and if you like this video then please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.